You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English and medical terms in particular, make sure to stay tuned. In British English, the pronunciation is as traumatized. More of an O sound, okay? Traumatized. The stress is on the first syllable, that syllable, traumatized. Now, the American English pronunciation is usually more as traumatized, a more open sound. Traumatized in American English, or traumatized from the word trauma. Pronunciation in English, traumatized. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.